before you post your next video, what if I told you that YouTube is not promoting your video because of one simple mistake that you keep making without you knowing? You are posting every day, editing, stressing yourself, praying to God, shouting God when, but the views still look very, very low. Today, I will show you the real reason small channels is not growing in 2026. And trust me, this thing I'm about to show you will shock you entirely. So do your possible best or try your possible best to stay to the end of this video because you are gonna learn a lot. Hey guys, welcome back to Princess Nicky tutorial, and on this channel I teach you YouTube growth, monetization, AI skill and content creation in a simple and relatable way. And listen, if you're a small creator trying to grow in Nigeria, Ghana, Africa or anywhere around the world, this video is paramount for you. Yeah. Number one mistake that creators make is that they are posting without strategy. Some people just woke up and post anything. They post random content. Today they are posting cooking, tomorrow they are posting about heartbreak story, next tomorrow is motivation, then suddenly how to make money online. And you think that you're going to grow on YouTube. One thing about picking a niche is that when you pick a niche, the algorithm will know the particular audience to push your videos to. But if you're doing random videos every day, the algorithm will be confused and that can actually slow your growth. So anytime you are posting your videos, your viewers must immediately know what your channel is about, who it is for, and why they should come back and watch. So make sure you pick a niche today. Look for that thing that you are good at, that thing that when you're saying it, that thing that you have passion for, that is your niche. Okay, and let me summarize in simple terms of this phase one that I'm trying to explain. Please, random posting confuses the algorithm. Very simple. Okay, the second mistake that you're making without you know is that your hook is too weak. Let me tell you something honestly. Most people click your videos then leave in 5 seconds. Why? Not because your content is bad or not because you don't know how to speak very well, but because your beginning is not intriguing enough. Some creators will start like this. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about my father is Dangote, my mother is Ket Enshi. No, attention spam is very expensive. Okay, so your first 5 seconds must create curiosity, it must create emotions, it must create urgency or surprise. Am I making sense? I know. Instead of saying today I will teach you about YouTube growth, or my name is Princess Nicky, I am from Anambra State, I'm from United States of America. You don't need that. Something like this mistake is why your YouTube channel is not growing, or you can say this is why YouTube is ignoring your videos. You can see the difference between the hi guys, my name is, and just make sure that you put out the problem first before introduction, even if you want to introduce yourself. So let me summarize it. What I just mean is that your hook decides everything. Your hook decides whether your viewer will stay or whether your viewer will disappear. Let's go to the third mistake. You are copying too much. Copycat, copy. This one, some people copy everything. They even copy the person's name. They will copy same title, same thumbnail, same script, same style. How you guys do it? Some people are very good at copying, but you don't do that in YouTube. Even if you did it in secondary school and you went free for it, on YouTube they don't do it like that, because at this point even the original creator is even confused. The algorithm will be like, who is now the original creator, because the scripts are the same. Okay, listen carefully, don't get me wrong. Inspiration is okay. You can get inspiration from another creator, but copy and paste content will slow your growth. Why? Because viewers have already watched the original. You must add your own personality, you must add your own experience, you must add your own storytelling. Make your own unique, add your own voice so that your videos will be different from the original creator. Okay, this is what makes people subscribe. If people keep on watching the same, maybe now for instance they come to your video and another creator have said how to grow on YouTube is number one, stop stop posting randomly. Then they go to another person's channel, stop posting randomly. No, now, no, now they will scroll and pass. I remember when I was posting and I was not seeing results. I almost gave up. I even disappeared for some days. This thing happened recently. Can't watch this my video that I posted. But I realized something, that consistency is powerful, but smart consistency is what changes everything. I'm checking if my mic is still on. Now I focus on better hooks. I focus on clearer topics. I focus on being myself. I focus more on creating stronger thumbnails and talking like I'm helping one friend. You're looking at your camera like you're talking to a crowd. It's going to be difficult for you. Okay, but if you're talking to your camera like you're talking to that your bestie, that your pal, that your girl, that your guy that you can walk up to and say, how far now, wetin dey sup. So let me just summarize it. Don't just post, but post smart. Okay, then the next part or the next mistake is your thumbnail is not making people curious. This one is I used to sing this one like a song, because your YouTube is just like a marketplace. Some people's thumbnail look like school assignments, too much text, too much colors, tiny tiny writing. Nobody can even read it. What of someone that has eye problem? How would they read what is on your thumbnail? Your thumbnail should make somebody stop scrolling immediately. Let it be simple, let it be clean, let it be emotional. That's why I like white blood background, bold red text, strong facial expression, and mysterious words. All these things can captivate. How do you see my thumbnails? If you go to my channels, my thumbnails are curiosity driven. They are captivating and they are intriguing. They are interesting, because curiosity makes people click. Clock it. So if your thumbnail is looking shabby all the time, go and work on your thumbnail. And if you want me to teach you how to create a very nice and sweet mysterious clickbait thumbnail, drop it on the comment section. Okay, YouTube viewers are distracted. 1 minute they want motivation, next minute they are watching somebody frying plantain. So your packaging should matter a lot. Package your thumbnail, just take it like a product. You're selling a product. If this perfume now is not packaged well, there is no way I can buy it. Okay, but if it's packaged well, I'll definitely buy it. That is how YouTube is. So if your channel is not growing right now, please do not quit. Most successful creators looked invisible before they even came up or before they blew up. The key is improve little by little, learn every day, and keep showing up. Whether you are tired, devastated, try your possible best to keep on showing up, because one video can actually change everything. It can actually blow up your channel. So guys, I hope I taught you a lot, or I hope you learned something from this video. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe to Princess Nikki tutorial right now, because we are growing together small. And remember, I have grown more than 4 channels, 3 faceless channels and 1 commentary channels. So comment below, grow, if you're serious about YouTube this year. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.